Okay, this is Thursday, the 9th of February 2023. And I'm going to make a video about a review of this electric blanket, 12-volt electric blanket. I use it in combination with this EcoFlow solar generator inverter battery combination. It will give me 3 full nights with a full charge from this EcoFlow battery. Right now the battery's got about 47%, so that'd be about a night and a half if I don't use it, the battery, for anything else. But it keeps you good and warm. It is 40 by 54, and I don't have any insulation here in the van, and even getting down to about 30 degrees. It doesn't come up too far on your chest if you cover your feet, but it'll keep you good and warm. Now I'm going to also be talking about the EcoFlow. I also use 2 RV deep cycle batteries over there too. You can charge it, you can use it with that. I have used it one night, but I don't know how much charge it took out of those 2 batteries. Those are 2 250 amp hour, watt hour batteries, whatever. And then if I really need some extra heat, I will use it in combination with this little master heater. But that master heater will just eat up that battery. The master heater uses 1500 watts, and that battery won't last but a little over an hour with that. But I usually use this with shore power, or either 110 from house, or whatever you want to call it. But like I said, that EcoFlow, you can see the connections. It's got a USB-C, USB-A. It's got a fast USB-C. It's got 6 110s and a 12-volt. It can be charged with either the solar or the 12-volt. We're using this connection, the 110-volt with this one, and I guess that's a reset button. Okay, I guess that's about it for this little blanket. It's probably already warm. I just had turned it on. And it will add a little bit of heat to the van for you as well. It'll raise the temperature in it a degree or two, depending on how cold it is. But I guess let me show you the front of that EcoFlow. You can see the 6 110 plugs and the 12-volt plug where the blanket is charged into it. And just for the heck of it, let's plug up a little master battery, a master heater too. Okay, we just turned on the 110 circuits. And as you can see, the little master heater, it works fine. It's just that it pulls that wattage. As you can see now, we've got it on low. It's pulling 700 watts, 750, 780. It's building up the wattage, just pulling. But yeah, with 6 110 plugs back there, you can cook with it, make you coffee, anything you want to do. I've been very happy with that EcoFlow, the master heater, and that electric blanket. I've also been very happy with those 2 deep cycle RV batteries. I've got them vented out the bottom. As you can see, those little plastic pipes coming out, so when I charge them, the gases won't come out in here.